Do you want to make a body butter that applies like a lotion during the summer months? Well, in this video, I'm going to be making a body butter with lavender chamomile, hemp seed butter, mango butter, and a special olive oil infusion. So it's not something I'm going to be selling online or in my store, and I'll explain later in the video. Hey, it's Diane from Vermont Lavender with small business tips and ideas to make skincare products at home for yourself, your business, and to sell online. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. The benefits of hemp seed butter and the reason that I use it is it helps to keep the skin soft and well hydrated. It's full of antioxidants. It's extremely softening for super dry skin like eczema, dermatitis, and psoriasis, and I found it to be so helpful. It's one of the best butters that I use in my body butters. I suffer from extremely dry skin and have found hemp seed butter along with other butters help me and others by using body butters daily, even during the summertime. So let me know in the comments below if you use body butters even during the summer months for dry skincare. The benefits of mango butter, well, it's a skin softener, again, just like hemp seed butter. It's an environmental protector, it's non-greasy, and it hydrates the skin. Seaweed extract, and that's one of the ingredients that I use to make my body butter, especially this one. It's rich in vitamin A, it encourages healthy skin cell production. Another oil that I use in all my body butters that I make is metafoam seed oil, and the reason that I use it, it helps with the stability of the skincare product, so it helps the body butters actually last longer, and it's an excellent moisturizer. It protects the skin from drying out, so it helps the skin stay a lot softer a lot longer. I'm going to be adding my olive oil infusion with a special herb ingredient to help with aches and pains, plus help with my skin's elasticity. This is a really nice body butter. It's very easy to make. So I used my infused cannabis with olive oil And then I added the lavender chamomile fragrance oil, lavender chamomile fragrance oil, and the lavender essential oil, and it's 3032, and that's really expensive. It's one of the most expensive. Beautiful, beautiful essential oil. So I just want to get as much as I can off. All right, let's fill up the containers. So I will let you know how this body butter, how it works. So if you have any aches and pains and things like that, it does help out. I've made a salve that's really good. I only make it for family and friends, and they love it. It works really well. And hemp seed butter is really, really light, but I won't be selling this. But there's too much regulation on the hemp industry, and so it makes it really difficult to sell it. So I don't sell any of this. Love this stuff. Love hemp seed butter. Oh my gosh. It's one of my favorite butters, and it's supposed to stay solid at 112, so 112 degrees Fahrenheit. And I am going to be making the one for the garden season, but I'm going to add a little bit of cocoa butter to it. So it'll be a different formula, but it'll have the hemp seed butter in it. It gets pretty hot, even here in Vermont. It gets pretty hot in the summer. It's more humid than anything. Wow, that smells so nice, the lavender chamomile. Wow. And I put the lavender essential oil in it, so this is a really rich body butter. And it has the seaweed extract in it, which is really good for the skin. So this is a super loving, great for the skin body butter. It's so nice having the shop. I love it. Everything it just makes it so much easier because everything is organized. Well, not yet totally, but I'm definitely more productive, that is for sure. Not that it wasn't before, but if you have to go and find your stuff, it just... And having the accounting background, I like things organized, and I find it hard if things are not organized. And the reason I did the olive oil infusion of the cannabis plant is olive oil it's one of the longer lasting oils that you can use in skincare products, and especially for the cannabis because it's so volatile, which means that it goes bad very quickly. Even the hemp seed butter, it doesn't last as long as I'd like it to, like the other butters. So, wow, there's quite a bit here. Okay, so I'm just going to go right around like this. I do have a little bit of air in there. Oh, there's quite a bit here. If you want to learn more about body butters and how to make them, I'll put a link in the description below, but also to watch next, all about body butter. If you're interested in making a garden one for the summer months, that you would apply it before you actually went outside, because it has basil, it has geranium, and it has a lot of other outdoor scents, essential oils. It's a summer body butter, and I have the recipe with it too. Okay, so thank you for watching. Appreciate having you here, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel. And okay, all right, so thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your day. I don't know if I would use this as a hand moisturizer. You could use it as a hand moisturizer, but I'm going to use it, since it has my cannabis in it, I'm going to use it on my knees and things like that. Oh, you can really smell the lavender in it and the chamomile. Oh, wow.